guys, welcome back to Just for Fun 290. Today we're going to be opening up some more interactive Avengers. We have Ultron, Captain America, Iron Man, and Thor. First we're going to open up Captain America.
Captain America reporting for duty.
So here's the Captain America out of the box. He comes with this cool shield that he can actually hold on to.
I'm Captain America. Ultron is everywhere. Avengers, assemble!
Next we're going to open up Iron Man.
Mark 43, online. Thor, I can use the lightning here. Where's the Hulkbuster? Now that's impressive.
We also have Ultron.
Avengers, you disgust me. I am everywhere. Your armor is a joke, just like your species. Iron Man, I expected more.
And the last one we're going to open up is Thor.
Captain, it is an honor to stand with you. We are a mighty team. Thunder and lightning are mine to command.
So here's the complete set all together. We brought back the Hulk and the Hulkbuster.
It's just you and me, Ultron. Mark 43, get Ultron now! Jarvis, I need more power. Let's armor up! Mark 43, get Ultron now! Thor, you've got the power, I've got the tech. Avengers, assemble! It's time to fly! Hey, Thor, pin him down! Avengers, assemble! Thor, you've got the power, I've got the tech. I will crush humanity. This is Avengers business. I need an upgrade. Watch our flank! Cap, we have to stop Ultron. Captain America, reporting for duty. Cap, cover the perimeter. Cap, I'm your one machine army. Captain America, to all available Avengers. We need backup. Cap, I'm your one machine army. Ultron is everywhere. Captain America's briefed me on the situation. Captain, it is an honor to stand with you. Cap, we have to stop Ultron. Your armor is a joke, just like your species. The Avengers fight is won. Avengers, it's time to disassemble Ultron. Avengers, you disgust me. Ultron is everywhere. Captain America, reporting for duty. Hulkbuster powering up. It's time to fly! This is Avengers business. Vibranium armor, huh? Impressive. Oh, smash, human robot! Oh, crush timber!
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!